What's poppin', everybody? My name's Ian McQueenie and welcome back to Mick Affiliate. On my channel, I'll be going over all the newest business models of 2021 and going forward to help you get a better understanding of how to, make money online. So today we're going to be covering what a sales funnel is and why it's so important when starting your business. So if you want to see more videos like this going forward, remember to leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment down below for any video recommendations you have in the future. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so what is a sales funnel? So a sales funnel is basically the steps you send your prospect through before they make a purchase. So this picture right here kind of explains it perfectly. So obviously you want your customers or your prospects to see the link and click it so they get sent into the sales funnel first. So that's why it's important to make content that will engage your viewers, that'll send them into the sales funnel and send them through steps to make the purchase. So right here, the picture, it shows the leads, prospects, and customers. So ideally what you want to get is a ton of leads. If you're not getting a lot of leads, you either have a bad initial opt-in page, which I'll go over later in the video, or your videos just aren't interesting and people don't want to click the link because they either think it's a scam or they don't think it's going to value them. So that's why it's important to make the right content and engage your viewers correctly. But yes, you're going to get leads, a lot of leads initially, and then you're not going to get a lot of prospects because there's people that are skeptical about things and they don't really want to make the purchase. So then that's going to cut it down to like from 1,000 to 100, and then only about a few more percentage of people actually make the purchase. So you're not going to get a whole lot of purchases if you get a lot of leads, because this funnel shows it perfectly in the picture. So how to engage your viewers, and I just explained that you need to engage your viewers so that they can get into the sales funnel first. So to engage your viewers, you need to analyze your audience's behavior first. You have to see what they like, what they're like doing, how often they're on the app. So for example, like TikTok, you can see your analytics and see when most of your viewers are on the app watching videos and when you could upload a little bit more. And also what niche you're in, or what niche. I really don't know how to pronounce that correctly, but what niche you're in. So like for me, example, I'm in finance and business, and so I have to target people that are interested in that and stick with content that is fit within that niche. So let's say if you're like a finance and business guy like me, you don't want to be uploading cooking videos, or for some reason, like let's say you're doing beauty videos for some reason. Like, you don't want to be doing that on a finance and business page because it just kind of throws your viewers off and be like, what am I watching? So you don't want to do that, really. And you also have to see what problems your viewers have. Like, what are you trying to solve for them? So what is this course or this product that you're promoting? What is it going to do for them? And how is it going to improve your life? And your sales funnel becomes more effective the more you know about your audience. So that's why it's important to know, go through the analytics and see what's best for your viewers. So next, you have to capture your audience's attention too. So first you got to engage them, and then you got to capture their attention. So you have to create content on social media that your viewers want to see. So like I said, it has to be fit within the niche that you're in, so that they can watch videos that they want to watch, and not watch some bogus video that they didn't follow you for. And you have to provide free and valuable information as well. If you're always saying, yo, click the link in my bio, check out my bio, do all this and that, make the purchase, they're not gonna listen to you. They're just gonna think it's a scam, and they're going to not trust you at all and keep scrolling and not watch your videos, not follow, and they won't be a prospect for your sales funnel. So you don't want that to happen. What you want to do is you want to give them free information, like I'm doing, giving you YouTube videos. You want to be creating a community page or community group on Facebook, just anything that can give your viewers free information so that they trust you more, and then in the future they can possibly make a purchase if they want to get that product. And the best way to do this too is use pain points to persuade them so that they can buy the product. So pain points are basically problems they have with their life that you can use to make them want to purchase a little bit more. Like, let's say, do you want to escape the 9-to-5 life and live a life of your dreams financially free? That's a pain point because they don't like their 9-to-5 job. So there's tons of different ways you could target people using a pain point. You just have to, think about different ways of creating that type of video through your niche and different ways to implement it in your videos. So that's when the creativity comes in, and that's the best part about this. That's what makes this fun. So next, what are the steps of a sales funnel? So a sales funnel, basically the steps go opt-in page, bridge page, thank you page, do the same thing, sales page, and upsell. So the sales page is basically your affiliate offer, and that's what I'll be referring it to later in the video. So in your opt-in page, the main goal is to get your prospects to enter their name and email so that you can add them to your email list. And I've got a little example right here in the top right corner. Want more insights like this? And then just give a little message, put their email, and then subscribe. And you can do that with pretty much anything. That's how most people enter people into their email lists. And on your opt-in page, you will want to intrigue your prospects with pain points. Like I said earlier, do you hate your job, or do you want to be your own boss? So I'll give you a little preview of what mine looks like. And it's basically, it's nothing crazy. It's just something that'll engage your viewers and make them want to keep going through the sales funnel. In this case, this page can basically make or break your results, because if it's not intriguing to the viewers, they're not going to follow through. And that's why you need this page to be the highlight of your website and the product that you're promoting. So next, if they click through, they'll go to the bridge page, which is the thank you page. And this is a page where you want to put between your opt-in page and the offer that you're making. And you're going to want to make a short thank you video for the prospect, since they took action to get there and they want to start their journey. So, the fact that they're taking action and checking it out is a great thing, and you want to thank them for it. And include a button, which includes your affiliate link, to send them to your offer on the next page. So give them a little video, so then say click the button down below to go to the next step in the process, where you will watch this other free video, or you'll get sent to the sales offer from the creator of that product or service. So this is also a very important page that you really want to engage your viewers with and get them into the next step. So the affiliate offer, this is your sales page. Once your prospect takes the action to go to the affiliate offer, the seller of the product takes it from here. So basically, once you put in the link, the creator of that product literally has their own sales funnel set up, and they just go through the process from there. So all you have to do really is create the opt-in page and the bridge page, and then let the seller take over from there. And this page will either provide a video or call to action for the prospect to purchase their product, and if the prospect makes a purchase, you get a commission. And so that's the great thing about this. You really just have to do two steps in the sales funnel, and then you let the seller just take over and do everything else. Then after that, you get upsells, which is even better. So after the prospect is provided with the offer, he or she is then presented with more options to buy from the seller. Usually the customer will purchase more since they're already in the buying state, and upsells are usually a little bit more expensive, which can give you bigger commissions. So this is the make or break it, really, and this can make you tons of commissions if you do this right. So that's why you want to be promoting the right product, the right service, in order to get these huge commissions. So how do you build your own sales funnel, and what should you use to get started with that? So for me personally, I use ClickFunnels, which is the top option up here, but you don't have to, because obviously, as you can see, it's a little on the expensive side. When you're first starting, the cheapest offer that they give you is $97 a month, or there's a $297 per month purchase that you can make too. But you don't have to do that if you're just starting out. If you're starting out, I'd recommend you either use Builderall, GetResponse, or GrooveFunnels, and these are all basically really good sales funnel builders that you can use when you first start. And as you can see, Builderall is $29 per month. I recommend this one because it gives you the most options when creating your sales funnel, and it kind of works like ClickFunnels, as it's more like, it looks a little bit more professional. But I do recommend this one a lot. GetResponse is also very good. You're paying $15 a month up to 1,000 subscribers, and once you get to 1,000, there's a higher purchase you need to make. And then GrooveFunnels is free, but there are less options, which is a little bit of the downside of this. But if you're just starting out and you don't really have any money to get started with your sales funnel, I'd also recommend GrooveFunnels. So if you want to check any of these softwares out, I have a bunch of links in the description down below. All you got to do is click them, and it'll bring you right to all these different softwares that you can get started with. So now that I gave you a little bit of a run through of what a sales funnel is and the steps it takes and why you should engage your viewers to get them into the sales funnel, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a visualization, or like a visual representation. Wow, I cannot speak. I'll give you a visual representation of what the sales funnel looks like so that you guys can see it and put it into effect. Alright, so here is the visual representation of what your sales funnel should look like. So as you can see on the left, all these different social medias are basically where you're going to get traffic from. Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram ads, TikTok. You can get all this traffic from all those different platforms and bring them into your opt-in page, which will then bring them through the sales funnel steps. So exactly right here, Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram ads, TikTok. You just want to be creating content that your viewers want to see. And with Pinterest and TikTok, basically all I do is I just keep posting the same videos back and forth on both those social medias. And then YouTube, I either direct people from TikTok or Pinterest to my YouTube so they can watch more free videos, which will bring them into the opt-in page. So that's probably how you got here. You probably got sent to YouTube from TikTok, and now you're watching this video about a sales funnel. And then Facebook posts, you can also do that from Pinterest and TikTok and direct people to Facebook. And Instagram, you can do the same exact thing. It's all just it's a whole loop, really. It's a whole circle, a whole system, getting all these different people to see your link and bring them into your sales funnel. So it'll bring you into your opt-in page, which is the first page where you collect emails. And as you can see, you get your first email, your second email, third email, fourth email, and then it just keeps going through the process. Once you get through your opt-in page, it brings you to the bridge page where you'll watch the video right there. And if they make the next step and like the video and want to go on to the affiliate offer, they can click the button, go over to the affiliate offer right here, and then they can make a purchase. And then if they make a purchase, they can go over to more upsells and make more purchases, which will give you more commissions. And so through these emails as well, once people opt in, you want to be sending people recurring emails through your email autoresponder. And I'll go over a video on how to do that in the future. But you're going to be you're going to be sending your subscribers an email each and every day with a link, your affiliate link obviously, to the affiliate offer or the upsell. In this case, it's the upsell because upsell gives you a more profitable commission. So this is pretty much a really simple system of, making money through your affiliate link or whatever, whatever you're selling online. You can do this with literally anything, and it's ridiculous because if you think about it, when you go through like McDonald's or Burger King or any of these fast food places, they're doing this to you and you don't even realize it. Like a burger, if you really look at it on the menu, it's only $1, but the fries are $2.70, and the drink is like another $2.50, and you don't even realize that because it's all part of the meal. So when you go through, you get a burger and they're like, "Would you like fries with that?" That's an extra $2.70. Would you like a drink? $2.50. So you went there initially trying to just get a burger, and then they give you the upsells, and that's how they make profit. That's why McDonald's, Burger King, all these fast food restaurants are so profitable, because they give you all these upsells. And I mean, I didn't even realize that until I learned this myself. So this is why sales funnels are very important, and they can really make or break your online business and ultimately how many commissions you get. So I really hoped this helped. If you'd like to get a little bonus and get started a little bit early on your process, I have a link down below to a 15-day business builder challenge that's only $7, and that's where I learned all of this, and it gives you all of the steps step by step, and it gives you way more guidance on how to do this. And I really think it's a very great purchase to make if you're trying to take affiliate marketing seriously. So once again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed what this sales funnel is and really get a better understanding of how to create your own. With the email autoresponders, I'll be making a video in the future to show you guys how to implement that into your sales funnel. But for now, I hope this helped. And if you'd like to see more, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.